Most people don't really want to trade. They want the results, not the process. If you asked 100 people who started trading this year, maybe 20 will still be around next year. After 3 years, maybe 10. After 5, 3 at best. If trading was something people genuinely enjoyed, the numbers wouldn't be that depressing. The truth is simple. People quit not because of strategy or bad luck, but because their expectations were wrong from the very beginning. When I started, I thought I'd figure it out in a few months. I ended up losing more than I want to admit. Money, motivation, and a few pieces of my sanity. But each failure left a scar that eventually became a lesson. So here are 6 of them. Lesson 1. Know what you're getting into. Trading is not a hobby. It's not a side hustle. It's not a maybe I'll try this for fun thing. It's a discipline that eats your time, your sleep, and your patience before it gives anything back. If you're not ready for that, don't start. If you are, commit fully. Don't jump from system to system. Don't chase the next magic setup. Pick your lane and stay in it long enough to see results. Lesson 2. Survive. Your goal for the first few years is not to make money. It's to stay alive. I know how that sounds, but it's true. The first year won't make you rich. The first 3 probably won't either. You're learning how not to die. Collect data. Track every trade. Build a journal. Without that, you'll spend 5 years just running in circles. Lesson 3. Don't trade your own money at first. This one might save you years of pain. Trading your own money creates massive emotional pressure. Fear, greed, panic, hesitation. You're not learning to trade, you're learning to survive your own emotions. That's why funded accounts are a game changer. You pay for the chance to trade large capital without risking your own. It's like a real-world sandbox where you build skill before scale. I personally lost 7 or 8 funded accounts before I got my first payout. But that's how it works. You pay for experience. If you want to start smart, use the discounts I've left in the description. They'll save you money and maybe some mental health. Lesson 4. Learn to lose without losing your mind. You can't control the market. You can only control yourself. Your job is not to predict, it's to react. Control your position size, your stops, your emotions. Every loss is information. And if you don't learn from it, it's just tuition money you paid to the market for nothing. Lesson 5. Forget the guru myth. I used to follow signal groups, Telegram mentors, and magic indicators. Every time I thought, this guy knows something I don't. But here's the truth. Even if that guy is profitable, you won't be. You'll miss one entry, you'll exit late, you'll change risk mid-trade, and his strategy will stop working for you. The moment you take responsibility for your own results is the moment you actually start becoming a trader. Lesson 6. Respect the risk. Risk management isn't just a line in a trading book. It's the only reason you'll stay in the game. Stop moving your stop losses. Stop adding to losing trades. Stop risking more than you should. I know how hard it is to accept a red day. Your ego wants to win. But your job isn't to win, it's to last. The best traders aren't those who catch every big move. They're the ones who lose small, consistently, and live long enough to see the wins compound. If there's one thing you take away from this, it's patience. Trading isn't about speed, it's about survival. While others chase dopamine and quick wins, build your system brick by brick. Be the trader who lasts.